In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in PowerPoint using poweredtemplate.com. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation or just want to add a professional touch, having a clear and well-organized table of contents can make a great impression on your audience. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've done that, locate and open your PowerPoint presentation. These initial steps set the stage for the creative process and ensure that you are ready to start building your table of contents on an existing slide or create a new one specifically for it. Moving on, head over to the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements like pictures, shapes, and text boxes. You'll want to focus on text boxes for this tutorial. Now go ahead and add a text box to your slide. Simply click the text box option, then click and drag on your slide to determine where you want the text box to appear. This will provide a space to label your table of contents clearly. In this text box, type in the words table of contents. Position this box at the top of your slide to give a clear title to the contents page. It acts as a header and helps your audience immediately recognize the purpose of the slide. Next, you'll want to add another text box. You'll use this one to list the sections or slides of your presentation. Click on the text box again and place it where you'd like your list to start. Within this second text box, start typing out the sections of your presentation. After each section name, add a series of dots leading to the right. These dots help visually connect the section titles to their corresponding slide numbers, making it easy for your audience to follow along. After typing the section names and adding dots, write down the slide number beside each entry. This numbering helps your audience quickly find the information they're interested in. It's a simple addition, but one that significantly enhances the functionality of your table of contents. Finally, take a moment to align your text boxes to ensure everything looks neat and tidy. This might involve adjusting the spacing between text boxes or aligning them to one side. Polishing these details can make a big difference in terms of visual appeal. And there you have it, you've successfully created a table of contents in PowerPoint. Remember, a well-organized presentation can greatly enhance the way your audience engages with your content, so it's well worth taking the time to master this skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy presenting!